A tapestry of flavors, Afro-Brazilian cuisine, Brazil, a melting pot of cultures, a symphony of flavors. Nowhere is this more evident than in its cuisine. The soul of Brazil is deeply intertwined with its African heritage. This vibrant cultural fusion is evident in every aspect of Brazilian life, especially in its food. Afro-Brazilian cuisine is a delicious tapestry, woven from centuries of history, tradition, and passion. Every ingredient tells a story. Every dish has a history. This is food with soul, food that nourishes the body and feeds the spirit. It's about family, community, and celebrating life. In this culinary journey, we'll go beyond the iconic Feijoada. We'll uncover the hidden gems of Afro-Brazilian cuisine. Beyond the Feijoada, unveiling hidden gems. Feijoada, the hearty black bean stew, is often considered Brazil's national dish. It's delicious, no doubt, but to truly understand the depth and diversity of Afro-Brazilian cuisine, we need to dig deeper. This is about more than just one dish. It's about exploring the full spectrum of flavors. From the coastal regions to the heart of the Amazon, each region of Brazil offers unique culinary treasures influenced by African traditions. We'll embark on a culinary adventure. We'll discover dishes like moqueca, acarajé, and vatapa. These dishes are not just food, they are culinary masterpieces. Moqueca, a taste of Bahia's coastal soul. A dish that embodies the essence of this vibrant region. Let's journey to Bahia, a state renowned for its vibrant Afro-Brazilian culture, where every meal tells a story of history and tradition. Here on the sun-kissed shores, moqueca reigns supreme, a dish that has been passed down through generations. This seafood stew is a celebration of the ocean's bounty, a harmonious blend of fresh ingredients and rich flavors. Fresh fish, shrimp, and sometimes even crab are carefully selected at local markets, ensuring the highest quality. These are then simmered in a rich coconut milk broth with tomatoes, onions, peppers, and cilantro, creating a symphony of flavors. The secret to its unique flavor? Dende oil, a staple in Bahian cuisine. This reddish-orange oil, extracted from the fruit of the African palm tree, adds a distinct nutty and earthy aroma, making each bite unforgettable. Moqueca is traditionally cooked and served in a clay pot, which enhances its flavors and keeps it piping hot, just as it has been for centuries. This dish is an explosion of flavors and textures, a true taste of Bahia's coastal soul, inviting you to experience the heart of Bahian culture with every spoonful. Acarajé street food with a story to tell. This dish is not just about taste, it's about history, culture, and tradition. Our next stop takes us to the vibrant streets of Salvador, where the aroma of acarajé fills the air, drawing locals and tourists alike. This iconic street food is more than just a snack. It's a symbol of Afro-Brazilian heritage, representing centuries of history and cultural fusion. Acarajé is made from deep-fried black-eyed pea fritters, which are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. They're filled with a spicy paste called vatapa, made with shrimp, ground cashews, bread, coconut milk, and spices. This rich and creamy filling adds a burst of flavor to every bite. The origins of acarajé can be traced back to West Africa, brought to Brazil by enslaved Africans. This dish is a culinary bridge between continents. It's a testament to their resilience and creativity, using simple ingredients to create something extraordinary. Acarajé showcases the ingenuity of those who made the best of what they had. Sold by women known as baianas, dressed in traditional white lace dresses, these vendors are the keepers of this culinary tradition, passing it down through generations. Acarajé is a cultural icon and a must-try for any food lover. Each bite tells a story of history, culture, and the enduring spirit of a people. Vatapa, a rich history in every bite. Vatapa, the creamy and flavorful paste that often accompanies acarajé, deserves its own moment in the spotlight. This dish is not just a sidekick, it stands out with its unique blend of ingredients and rich history. This dish is a culinary journey through history, with influences from Africa, Portugal, and indigenous Brazilian cuisine. Each bite tells a story of cultural fusion and the resilience of traditions passed down through generations. Made with bread soaked in coconut milk, ground peanuts or cashews, shrimp and spices, vatapa is a symphony of textures and flavors. The preparation process itself is an art, requiring patience and skill to balance the ingredients perfectly. The creamy texture comes from the ground nuts, while the coconut milk adds sweetness and richness. These elements combine to create a dish that is both comforting and exotic, a true delight for the senses. The shrimp provides a savory depth, while the spices, often including ginger, cumin, and coriander, create a warm and inviting aroma. These spices are not just for flavor, they carry the essence of the regions they come from, adding layers of history to the dish. Vatapa is a versatile dish, served with rice, seafood, or even as a filling for pastries. Its adaptability makes it a favorite in various culinary settings, from street food stalls to high-end restaurants. It's a true testament to the ingenuity of Afro-Brazilian cooks. Their creativity and resourcefulness have turned simple ingredients into a dish that is celebrated worldwide, embodying the spirit and flavor of their rich cultural heritage. Denda oil. The heart of Afro-Brazilian flavor. Denda oil, often called red palm oil, is the golden elixir of Afro-Brazilian cuisine. This vibrant oil, extracted from the fruit of the African oil palm tree, is the heart and soul of many traditional dishes. Its deep reddish-orange color and unique nutty, earthy flavor add a distinct character to stews, sauces, and fritters. Beyond its culinary uses, Denda oil holds cultural and spiritual significance in Afro-Brazilian traditions. It's used in religious ceremonies, believed to bring good luck and prosperity. Its distinct flavor is a reminder of the African roots that run deep in Brazilian cuisine. Okra, from Africa to Brazil, a culinary staple. Okra, the fuzzy green pod, might not be the most glamorous vegetable, but it holds a special place in Afro-Brazilian cooking. This versatile ingredient, originating in Africa, made its way to Brazil during the transatlantic slave trade and has since become a staple in many traditional dishes. Okra is often added to stews and soups, where it releases its thickening properties, creating a rich and velvety texture. Its mild, slightly sweet flavor complements the bold spices and flavors of Afro-Brazilian cuisine. From the hearty stew of caruru to the flavorful seafood dish of zinchim de galinha, okra's versatility shines through in countless culinary creations. Coconut milk, adding sweetness and creaminess. Coconut milk, the creamy white liquid extracted from grated coconut flesh, is another essential ingredient in the Afro-Brazilian culinary repertoire. Its subtle sweetness, creamy texture, and versatility make it a staple in both sweet and savory dishes. In savory dishes like moqueca and vatapa, coconut milk adds a rich and velvety texture, balancing the heat from chilies and spices. In desserts like cocada, a simple yet delicious coconut candy, coconut milk provides sweetness and creaminess. Whether it's adding depth to a stew or providing a sweet indulgence, coconut milk plays a vital role in the symphony of flavors that defines Afro-Brazilian cuisine. The soul of Afro-Brazilian cuisine stories and traditions. Afro-Brazilian cuisine is more than just a collection of recipes. It's a living testament to the resilience, creativity, and cultural heritage of the African diaspora in Brazil. Each dish tells a story, passed down through generations, preserving traditions and memories. It's about family gatherings, where aromas fill the air, and laughter echoes around the table. It's about the women, the matriarchs of the kitchen, who have kept these traditions alive, their hands expertly shaping Acarajé fritters or stirring a pot of moqueca with love and expertise. It's about the flavors that transport you back to your roots, evoking memories of childhood and family gatherings. Preserving culinary heritage, a delicious mission. In a world of fast food and globalized cuisines, preserving culinary traditions is more important than ever. Afro-Brazilian cuisine faces the challenge of being overshadowed by more widely known Brazilian dishes. It's our duty to seek out these hidden gems to support the cooks and communities who keep these traditions alive. By learning about the history, ingredients, and techniques behind these dishes, we gain a deeper appreciation for the cultural heritage they represent. We can support local restaurants and food vendors who specialize in Afro-Brazilian cuisine. We can learn to cook these dishes ourselves, keeping the traditions alive in our own kitchens. A culinary adventure awaits. Explore Afro-Brazilian flavors. Afro-Brazilian cuisine is an invitation to embark on a culinary adventure. It's a chance to explore a world of flavors beyond the familiar, to discover the rich history and cultural significance embedded in every bite. So, open your mind, tantalize your taste buds, and experience the magic of Afro-Brazilian cuisine. Seek out restaurants that specialize in these dishes, ask questions, learn about the ingredients, and savor the unique flavors. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and try something new. You might just discover your new favorite dish.